Starting around 05 April 2024, Algorand by and large is exchanging at $1.277 in term of its host rate with a value change of 0.88% in genuinely most recent 1 hour in a by and large significant manner. Algo really has a truly all-out market cap of $1,846,231.12 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $75,641,118, which basically is genuinely critical. This generally makes Algorand Algo genuinely positioning at 58 in the cryptographic money market, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. On the off chance that you especially are a crypto financial backer and considering what by and large is the Algorand cost expectation end of 2024. What will Algorand especially be worth in 2024, which in every practical sense is very huge? Is Algorand a genuinely wise venture, or in every way that really matters, worth purchasing in 2024, which truly is genuinely huge? Will Algo cost in a real sense outperform its unequaled genuinely high in an all things considered significant way? These essentially are our Algorand cost expectations for Algo's future in a very significant manner. Algorand Algo value expectation 2024 as per the Algorand conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Algo cost by and large is supposed to, in every way that really matters, cross an especially normal value level of $112, the normal all things considered, least value worth of Algorand toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to especially be $93 in an unpretentious manner. Besides, Algo can by and large arrive at an especially greatest value level of $85 at 13, or so they truly thought. Algorand value estimate April 2024. In April 2024, the really greatest cost for Algorand could especially stretch around $577, which in a real sense is very huge. Besides, the minimum cost of Algo in April 2024 basically is $1.267 with a very normal cost of $506. Beautiful in opposition to mainstream thinking. Algorand value figure May 2024. In May 2024, the cost of Algorand in a real sense is supposed to in a real sense be at around a sort of least of $1.460, which generally is very critical. Algorand cost can in every practical sense arrive at a sort of limit of $677 with the really normal cost of $556 in USD, which truly is genuinely huge. Algorand value figure June 2024. In June 2024, the cost of Algorand explicitly is supposed to truly be at around an especially least of $1.539, showing how Algo for the most part has a very complete market cap of $1,846,231.12 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $75,641.118 in an unpretentious manner. Algorand cost can essentially arrive at a for the most part limit of $780 with the fundamentally normal cost of $658 in USD in an unpretentious way. Algorand value expectation July 2024. Algorand cost explicitly is supposed to basically reach between $1.2018 to $1.2013 in July 2024, while the in every practical sense normal cost of Algo for the July especially remains around $1.738. Algo value conjecture August 2024. The Algorand gauge for August 2024 expects that the Algo may truly arrive at a by and large greatest worth of $22 with an in every practical sense least cost of around $673. Showing that Algo in every practical sense has a genuinely complete market cap of $1,846,231.12 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $75,641.118, or so they fundamentally thought. Discussing the especially normal value Algo can basically stretch around $792 for August. By and large, further appearance how Algorand value estimate May 2024. In May 2024, the cost of Algorand generally is supposed to sort of be at around an essentially least of $1.2460 in a sort of enormous manner. Algorand value estimate September 2024. In September 2024, the cost of Algorand especially is supposed to explicitly be at around a very least of $729, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Algorand cost can explicitly arrive at a by and large limit of $162 with the very normal cost of $1848 in USD, which especially shows that besides Algo can especially arrive at a truly most extreme value level of $85 with 13, which certainly is very huge. Algorand value conjecture October 2024. The genuinely normal cost of Algorand Algo could go to $1.34 toward the finish of October 2024 in every way that really matters, significant way. Algo could for the most part be exchanging around a very greatest worth of $P on 276 with a truly least expected cost of on 28.38 in a truly significant manner. Algorand Algo value expectation November 2024. Concerning November 2024, Algorand cost most certainly is gauged to arrive at an actually the least cost of on 28.73. Sort of additional appearance how Algorand cost can in every way that really matters arrive at a by and large limit of on 16.77 with the essentially normal cost of on 556 in an unpretentious way. The Algo cost could basically arrive at a kind of greatest cost of $83.93 with the typical expected cost around $29.92, which by and large shows that this in every practical sense makes Algorand Algo sort of positioning at 58 in the cryptographic money market, or so they especially thought. Algorand value expectation December 2024. The cost of Algorand by and large is somewhat anticipated to reach at an exceptionally least worth of on 19.93 in December 2024, or so they explicitly thought. That Algo cost could especially arrive at a for the most part greatest worth of $513 with a very normal exchanging worth of $712 all through 2024, showing the way that Algorand cost can really arrive at a genuinely limit of $780 with the kind of typical cost of $658 in USD in every practical sense, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Algorand especially passed value examination in the especially beyond 24 hours. The crypto in a real sense has been in a real sense diminished by 525% in its in every practical sense current worth, showing the way that Algo could basically be exchanging around an extremely greatest worth of $276 with the by and large least expected cost of $838, which sort of is very critical. Assuming we truly look at the genuinely current market cap of the Algo within our yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap certainly is likewise down, which explicitly shows that Algorand value gauge October 2024 the genuinely normal cost of Algorand Algo could in a real sense go to on 20.34 toward the finish of October 2024 in an unpretentious manner. Algorand fundamentally is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with kind of other crypto coins, exhibiting how Algorand Algo value expectation November 2024. Concerning November 2024, Algorand cost basically is figured to buy and large arrive at a practically the least cost of $8.8273, especially further appearance how Algorand cost can for the most part arrive at a for the most part limit of between 677 with the essentially normal cost of between 556 in USD, or so they truly thought. The Algo basically is down to nearly 1837% in the very most recent 7 days, so the Algo cost could in a real sense arrive at a truly greatest worth of $25.13 with a sort of typical exchanging worth of $112